Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to look at the Riviera 3-in-1 data/charging cable. Now I've been getting a lot of requests regarding these kind of cables, so I have made a few videos on these kind of cables before. So they're cheap and they're actually very useful in case you own multiple devices. Then this actually helps you in carrying just one cable instead of carrying 2-3 cables. So some of them even support fast charging, so fast charging and high-speed data also. So this one claims that it does that, so we'll check that later on. But this is an unboxing video of this. So I got two colors, silver and golden. So there were no other colors available, so I just got them. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what do you actually get with this. Okay, the wire is decent. It's not too long, not too short. I think it is, yes, it's a little over 1 meter. So that's good enough for your regular day-to-day use. Okay, it's very nice. Let me just check the ports. Okay, it feels like it is metal, but I'm not sure. We'll see that later on. Let's see if this has any lights in it. Like some of the cables that I bought, they actually have a light at the end. Let's see if this one has that too. Okay, let me get a phone. Okay, let's try charging an iPhone first. Okay, that's charging. Let me get another phone. Okay, let's put a OnePlus also. So I'll connect a OnePlus 5T with the Type-C cable. Okay, so charging is working fine. Now it's at 100%, so I really can't check fast charging on this. So both of them are fully charged. So this is 93%. Fast charging actually works below 70% in most of the phones. So I'll be doing the fast charging test later on if the cable actually supports that. I'll be doing a data test also if the data speed is good. So all that will be done later on. So no, there are no lights on this. So in a way that's good because the light will actually take more power. So okay, so the charging is working fine. No problems with it. Now, okay, so let's take a closer look at the cable itself. So the cable is pretty strong, pretty sturdy, no creaks, no nothing. The build quality is excellent. I really like the metal finish on them. I don't know if it's real metal or if it's got a metal coating, but if I tap it, it actually gives me the metal sound. So I think it should be aluminum. So I'm just guessing here, but my guesses are not normally wrong. So hopefully this is aluminum. I'll be testing that later on and I'll put that in the comment. So the cable, the loop which is holding them together is very strong. It's not one of those soft ones which will break easily, and it's not white. Thankfully it's not white because they really get dirty. So they actually fit pretty well. So if you look at them, they don't move, no creaks, no nothing, and they're pretty solid. So I really like the build quality. And one more thing which I like is that the wire is actually braided. So since it's braided, you don't have to worry about this getting dirty that much, and you won't have the wires tangling with each other. Mostly when you have rubber wires, they get tangled a lot. So these actually keep them separate. So that's a good thing. Now I'll be testing it for data also later on to see if that's going to work. We've already checked charging works fine. I can't check fast charging right now because all my phones are fully charged. I'll have to bring them below at least 70% to do that. So I'll be doing that later on. So that's it. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.